Love is clean and love is pure. And love is a thing that no doctor can cure. And love is a thing we need for sure. And if you
What if I prove to you that the website you're going to watch in this video, which would have cost me 5 to 10 lakhs rupees to build and maintain with traditional developers, was actually created in just one Sunday afternoon using nothing but a simple chat interface? Well, believe what you're about to see, because today I'm introducing you to Lovable AI, the revolutionary platform that's about to flip the entire web development industry on its head, the traditional website development nightmare. Let me paint you a picture of what building a website used to look like. Step 1. Find a developer. Good luck finding one that doesn't charge an arm and a leg. Step 2. Explain your vision 47 times because they didn't quite understand. Step 3. Wait 3 to 6 months for development. Step 4. Pay anywhere from 2 lakhs rupees to 15 lakhs depending on complexity. Step 5. Pay monthly maintenance fees of 20 to 50,000 rupees. Step 6. Cry when you want to make a simple change and they quote you another 1 lakh rupees. Sound familiar? Well, those days are over. Lovable AI lets you build software products using only a chat interface. And I'm not talking about some basic templated websites. I'm talking about complex, fully functional web applications that would make seasoned developers do a double take. Don't just take my word for it. In the next part of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built a complex website in real time using nothing but simple prompts. You'll see the AI-generated professional-grade code, create beautiful designs, and deploy everything live, all within minutes. This isn't theory, this isn't a demo, this is the real deal. Hey foodies, ever craved delicious street food but had trouble finding food trucks nearby? Today, watch how Lovable AI instantly creates a Food Truck Connect website, your gateway to finding amazing street eats. I've just given Lovable AI one simple prompt. Now let's click on Generate. Hooray! Lovable AI is already building our website. No coding, no hassle, just one magic prompt. In just seconds, we've built a site where you can search by city, cuisine, be it American, Mexican, or anything else you're craving. Check it out, interactive maps, real-time locations, mouth-watering photos. Finding your favorite food truck just got easy. Happy hooray! Our Food Truck Connect website is fully generated and ready to preview and publish. How cool is that? With Lovable AI, tweaking your website is as easy as chatting with a friend. Just type your changes and Lovable does the rest. Want to adjust colors, update menus, or add features? Simply chat your ideas to Lovable and watch them instantly come to life. So what are you waiting for? Build, preview, and go live instantly. No coding, just creativity. And there you have it, the moment we've all been waiting for. Our Food Truck Connect website is officially live. Look how seamless this is. Search your favorite food trucks by city, explore cuisines from Mexican to Mediterranean, and easily find tasty street eats near you. Beautiful visuals, real-time locations, and a user-friendly interface. It's all here, ready to use. Now it's your turn. Jump in, start exploring, and discover the best food trucks your city has to offer. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tasty tech tips, and I'll see you next time. Happy eating!